Hello. Today I'm going to show you not an unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this GINUX solar lamps for outdoor use with motion detector. It's a small decorative solar wall lamp for outside use with super bright light emitted diodes and PIR sensor. It's a solar LED spotlight for wall and garden. It isn't brick, 30 watt in black or in white, as you like and need it. Equipped with a high-quality silicon solar panel, this solar lamp with a motion detector charges quickly during the day and provides reliable lighting at the night time. Oh yeah, so we have energy and reduce the electrical cost. Yeah. And the built-in motion detector detects movement in a wide area and intensely activates the super bright LEDs to keep our outdoor area safe and well lit. It is for protecting our home and garden. And this outdoor solar wall lights is made of sturdy fireproof materials and can withstand any weather type, be like rain, snow, or heat. Perfect for permanent outdoor lighting. The solar lamps for outdoor for the wall offers two lighting modes that can be easily adapted by different needs. Whether a continuous light or just during the movement, we choose the perfect setting for our environment. This solar lamp with a motion detector can be easily installed on walls, fences, or on the garden without any power connection. It is the ideal solution for fast, effective, and environmentally friendly outdoor activities in lighting. Yeah. And as you can see, it's really easy to install that. Decorative, backlight function. We have fireproof materials, safe and durable, and easy to install. And all accessories what we need to install are included. For mode 1, we press the button once. When moving 100% brightness, without movement 5% brightness level. Well, we can switch to mode number B. We press the button twice. When moving 100 brightness, without movement, it will be switched off. So, easy peasy baby, you can easy cheesy makes a decision about the operation method we are going to choose. These outdoor solar lights with a high-quality LEDs and solar panel offers a better performance, of course. The replaceable battery ensures a life of up to 10 years and ensures a long battery life, especially on winter days. The front gold white, the background is light warm white. So you see the temperature of the light-emitted diodes, which are going to make a nice look on our walls. The solar lamps for outdoor comes with a motion detection, have a range of up to 6 meters and 30 watt, traditional 3 watt, brightness real 350 lumen. The lithium-ion battery comes with an 18650 replaceable 3.7 volt with 1200 mAh capacity and 4.44 watt hour. So this is a nice device. This is the GINUX solar lamp for outdoor use. It is the brick 30 watt black or white model. You can choose. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sensor.